Good day everyone. Hope you will doing fine good, and for today's video answering the questions found in the chapter 3 oral performance by Titraj. I am Jonali Vildosola together with my group mates Maris Conseniege and Jonard Villajos. Without further ado, let's start.
Hi guys, good day. I'm Maricin Cunyege, and now I just want to be talking to you all about the importance of plant taxonomy and then why is nomenclature of plants necessary. To arrange elements or taxa of plants into a more systematic manner so that they can be better understood and could be used easily and more effectively. To arrange data or information and knowledge about plants. To indicate the source and genetic relationship, ancestry, and origin of plants. To indicate the distribution and habitat of plants on Earth and their benefits. But before that, what is plant nomenclature? The nomenclature can be summed up as the naming system for plants. A scientific name must be assigned whenever a new taxon has been identified based on a few key characteristics. In accordance with the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, the taxon's name is provided. To ensure constancy in the naming of living things, nomenclature is crucial. The naming of living things should be done in a way that ensures that a specific organism is known by the same name everywhere. An organism should be described in such a way that anyone, anywhere in the globe, can come up with the same precise name for it. Nomenclature is a system for giving very specific scientific names to organisms based on their characteristics, behavior, and structure. In order for a specific scientific name to be understood regardless of language boundaries, it must be assigned. Nomenclature has several benefits, some of which are follows. Classify and organize. It aids in classifying all organisms and organize them into a certain category. This makes it simpler for everyone to comprehend the traits of the studied creatures. Next, precision. Nomenclature helps in assigning a place in taxonomy based on the similarities and differences between different organisms, which aids in establishing a relationship between the organisms and thus helps in assigning proper classification. It also gives it a single distinctive name.
Hello everyone, I am Jonali Vildosola. In this video, I am going to answer in chapter 3. And the question was assigned to me are give the definition of the following terms: kingdom, division, class, order, family, genus, and species. Kingdom is a taxonomic rank that is composed smaller groups called phyla or a division in plant. Division refers to a rank equivalent to phylum. Class, a taxonomic group consisting of one or more related orders. Order is a taxonomic rank that exists below class above family. Family is a taxonomic group containing one or more related genera. Genus is a taxonomic category ranking used in biological classification that is below family and above species.
Artificial system. One or two morphological characteristics are used in the artificial categorization system to divide creatures into groups. The artificial categorization method proposed by Linnaeus categorized species based on the numerical strength of 6 organs, such as andration, number in a plant flower. The phylogenetic or evolutionary ties between organisms were not taken into account in this approach. Additionally, it ignored biological distinctions like those in DNA and proteins seen in other organisms. Next, mechanical system. These systems, such as those of Cisalpino, Bauhin, Gray, Tunfort, and Linnaeus, categorize taxa based on one or a few carefully chosen taxonomic characteristics. Next, natural system. According to our relationship based on a descent from a common ancestor, organisms are classified naturally. The organisms are categorized in this system based on their vegetative characteristics, which are constant and affected by their environment. The clustering of diverse and unrelated groups of organisms is avoided by classification scheme. By Bentham and Hooker, the first natural system of classifying plants was developed. Lastly, phylogenetic classification. The study of the evolutionary relationships between the creatures forms the foundation of phylogenetic classification. Evolutionary characters are also taken into consideration in this classification along with a number of other characters. This category is used to research relationships. Phylogenetic trees are used to represent this classification.
A characteristic may be defined as any express attribute of an organisms that can be evaluated and that has two or more discontinuous states or conditions. The taxonomic value of a characteristic is increased if the biological significance of two characteristics has been determined.